Hello everyone, today's video is on drawing an Indian bride. Here I started with her eye using charcoal pencil, cotton bud and white gel pen. Video for an hyper-realistic eye or realistic eye is already uploaded in my channel. You can check it out in the description box. For the jewelry design, I have used both charcoal and graphite pencil, blending with a blending stump and highlighting with a white gel pen. I used size 1 blending stump to draw some baby hairs. For the roses on her head, I have used soft charcoal pencils and blended with a blending stump. And for detailing the layers, I have used the kneaded eraser. The basic texture of the cloth is done with neutral charcoal pencil and the designs with the soft one. I always wanted to draw an Indian bride. Well, this is the first one and I am really happy with the result. I feared for all those jewelry designs, but this time I was encouraged by one of my friends. I really want to thank her for this suggestion and also for encouraging me. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe as I come up with a new video every week. Thanks for watching.